Benefits of cybersecurity. First benefit is protection of individual and business data. Cybersecurity measures help protect your personal and business data protected from unauthorized access, theft, or manipulation. Next benefit is that chances of system freezes and crashes are reduced. Next benefit of cybersecurity is that it inspires confidence in your customers. It can take years for a business to earn the confidence and trust of its customers. But all of that can vanish in a minute if a single cyber attack results in the theft or loss of customer data such as their real names, usernames, passwords, physical addresses, email addresses, etc. For example, suppose you are having your bank account with ABC Bank and you are making use of banking facilities online. That is, you are having an account with them and you are having your own password and your username. If all your information of that bank, in respect of that bank, that is your username, password, your email address, and other information, goes into the hands of cyber criminals or hackers, they may misuse that information. And in that case, all the customers like you who are having the account in that bank will lose faith in that bank and they will think that ABC Bank is not able to protect your private information, and you may even think to close your account with that bank in future or not continue your operations in that account. So any cyber attack on any organization adversely affects the brand value of the organization and it reduces the faith of the customer in the particular organization who has been affected by the cyber attack. So if the organization takes the cyber security steps and reduces the chances of cyber attack, the data may be got secured against hacks and viruses. Next point is continuity of operations. Cyber security measures protect critical systems, networks, and data from cyber threats. These measures help prevent disruptions, downtime, and loss of productivity. Next benefit of cybersecurity is it enhances national security. Cybersecurity is vital for national security as it protects the government systems and critical infrastructure from cyber attacks. Next benefit of cybersecurity is that it is beneficial for mental health. It is beneficial for mental health because it gives a sense of security. When you have taken the cyber security steps to protect your systems as well as data, you are mentally relieved. You feel that there may not be any cyber attack. You think so. There may be any attack, even if you take, but when you have taken the best possible cyber security steps to protect your system and data, you are mentally relieved. Cybersecurity measures help to protect our digital assets like emails, financial data, and passwords, as well as other sensitive information from falling into wrong hands. By mitigating cyber risks, cybersecurity enables individuals, organizations, and societies to thrive in the digital age. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.